Hello, welcome back. It's always a pleasure having your company. Hope you're all well today. And I'm just coming on to count up what I've saved for January so far. I was going to count up what I had for last year, but it doesn't make sense because I've been condensing it throughout the year, and whatever I've got now, I'm just going to leave it as that. As this is a fresh year, I just thought, let me do January. But first of all, I've set up February already. I have completed this one for January. I did put it for £50 the goal at £5 a snowflake, but I decided to put £20 in this one and the rest £5, so I got in total £65. So I'll just put that there. And let's start. So we leave February's for now. And this is the Save 2023 in 2023. I do have a bulk of money in here and I need to condense it. Okay, let's count. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. So that's 560, and I do have £6 in coins, so that's £566. That's 566. And then for the little calves, let's have a look. Let's put that back. So I've got £6 in coins for this one. Yeah. So how much did I count up? £560 in paper, and I've got £6 in coins. My brain is really bad, you know. And for the little calves, let's have a look and see what I've got in this one. I've got £15 in coins, so that's 20, 30, 40, £55. And my 52 weeks challenge, I have, let's have a look, 20, 40, 45, 50. That's £736 I have saved for January, and I did miss a week, so I should have more than that, but I mean £736 is perfect, absolutely perfect. I'm really grateful for everything, and it's on such a low budget that I'm really happy with what I have. So if you're on a low budget and you want to do some saving, just save, no matter what it is. £5, £2, £3, whatever it is, even £1, just save it, because you'll be amazed what you do achieve. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.